Welcome! This new movie of paragraph 804 about the circumference of a circle. And that is something that the ancient Greek already talked about, and they measured and they simply measured the radius or the diameter of a circle, and they also measured the circumference or the perimeter of that circle. So if you have a string around a circle, how long that string has to be. And they figured out there's always a ratio between those two, and that you always need to multiply the diameter with a number. They call that number pi to calculate the circumference. And pi is a number, it has lots and lots of decimal places. It has more than you can remember because it's infinite long. But that number pi, so we write it like this and we call it pi, and pi is approximately 3.14. It has more numbers in your calculator, and that is basically what we're going to use this paragraph, because the circumference of a circle is pi multiplied by the diameter. And how do you write it down? C for circumference is equal to pi times d for diameter. Or even shorter, we forget about the multiplication symbol or dot and we write C is pi d. And that is what we're going to use lots and lots of times. Just to remind yourself, what is what with a circle? We have a radius from the middle to the outside, and we also have the diameter, and that's the line that goes from opposite side to opposite side through the middle of the circle, through the center of the circle. And suppose I have a circle of 3 with a radius of 3, then how do I calculate the circumference? Well, very simple. I first need to calculate the diameter. The diameter is twice the radius. So the diameter is 3 times 2 is 6. Then the circumference is p times the diameter is 20p pi times 6, and we write it as 6 pi. That is the exact number, and sometimes you want to have it approximately, and you simply press your calculator 6 times pi, and then you should get to 18.8495 and so on and so on. I'm just going to round it to 18.8. Okay. Please try to do this for yourself. The radius, if the radius is 6.4, I want you to calculate the diameter, and I want you to calculate the circumference. Okay, hey, take care. See you around. Bye.